Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Swagbucks application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store and then from the home page, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Swagbucks and start your search. Once you find the Swagbucks application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Swagbucks application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And now you can continue with signing up to create your new account or log in to your existing one to start using Swagbucks right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Swagbucks application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.